Stone. Who's a handsome guy? His name is Stone. He is so handsome. Should we listen to Coley? Let's go listen to Coley. Okay, Cole, now you have to introduce your song. What is it?
Now?
Yeah.
Hello, everyone, and I'm going to play a song called Thunderstorm.
And what is it? Is it a song you composed yourself?
It's a song that I composed, and I hope it sounds like a thunderstorm.
Thank you, Cole.
Thank you for watching. Watching my song.